Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to remove iCloud activation lock. So let's get started. First, if your device has an iCloud activation lock, use another device and open a browser. Search for iCloud activation lock removal and select Apple's official support page titled Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Apple provides 3 methods to remove the lock. 2 of them require the Apple ID login credentials. If you do not have access to those, scroll to the bottom and click Start an Activation Lock Support Request. Before continuing, ensure you meet Apple's conditions. You must be the device owner. The device must not be in lost mode, and you must have proof of purchase. Also note, all data on the device will be erased. Click Get Started, then enter your email address, serial number, IMEI, or MEID. If your device is locked, find this information on the original box, usually at the bottom rear side. Fill in the CAPTCHA, submit the request, and Apple will review your case. They'll contact you by email with next steps. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.